Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down how to build a real paid web app using just AI.
Right, so this isn't some fantasy. It's a real-world look at turning an idea into a working product.
The whole thing kicked off from a simple frustration. Who wants to pay a fortune just to edit a PDF?
All right, first up, the idea. Before a single line of code, it all started with just planning with an AI.
Basically, using ChatGPT like a developer sidekick, the whole project got scoped out nice and clear from the start. Now for the design, a total game changer in Replit is that you can design the entire app first. Get this, just one prompt, and the AI agent mocked up every single page, a complete visual blueprint. And here's why that's so smart. It separates design from function, saving a ton on those AI build costs. Okay, now for the tough part, turning that pretty design into a real working application.
And yeah, the creator keeps it real. This part is all about prompting, testing, and fixing what breaks.
The trick is knowing which tool to use. The fast agent for small tweaks and the max for heavy lifting.
So to get through it, you've got these tips, and that rollback feature, a total lifesaver.
All right, to make this a real business, it was time to plug in the big three.
And the cool part? The AI made it super simple, handling signups, data, and even payments.
Okay, the app's working. Time to put it out in the world, on its very own domain.
But first, a quick security scan. It's a smart last step that adds a nice layer of confidence.
And getting that domain, seriously, it was super cheap and easy, all done right inside Replit.
And just like that, after a little waiting, the site was live and ready for business.
So you're probably wondering, what did all this cost in time and money? Let's break it down.
The grand total for all that AI power, just over $70, way cheaper than hiring a developer. And time-wise, the whole build took about 2 weeks, just chipping away at it here and there.
The app ended up with 3 simple price points, which the AI even set up through Stripe. So the biggest takeaway here is this. Just get a working version out there and see what happens.
It's all about committing to an idea and actually building it, instead of just waiting around.
Look, this just proves building a real app is easier than ever. So the only question is, what will you build?